Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up the OnePlus 15R step by step, especially for beginners. Let's get started. To begin, power on your phone by long pressing the power button. You will see the OnePlus logo along with the Android. After a few seconds, you will notice some animations. And finally, the never settle screen. Tap the right arrow to continue. Now select your language. There are many options available, including several Indian languages. For this demo, I will continue with English. Next, select your region. Let me choose India and tap Next. You will see the legal information page. Here, you can view the user agreement and privacy policy by tapping View Details. Once you are done, tap Agree to proceed. Next is setup using another device. If you have an Android phone or an iPhone, you can transfer your settings, accounts and more from that device. I prefer a fresh setup, so I will tap Skip. Now it is time to connect to Wi-Fi. Select a network and enter the password. You can also scan a Wi-Fi QR code if available. Once connected, tap Next. Wait for a few seconds. On the Copy Apps and Data screen, you can transfer data from your old phone if you want. If not, simply tap Skip. Next, you will be asked to sign in to your Google account. This is required for downloading apps, backup, and syncing Google services. For now, I will skip this step. But I highly recommend signing in now or later from settings. Now choose your screen lock method. You can set a password, fingerprint or face unlock. I will skip this for now. Next are Google services. Review the options and turn off anything you don't want. After that, choose your search engine. You will see multiple options here. I personally prefer Google. Tap Next once selected. Now review additional apps. You can choose to install them or opt out. Once done, tap OK. Next is the Red Cable Club account. To use this, you will need a OnePlus account. If you don't have one, you can create it to access exclusive benefits. You can also skip this step if you want. Then review the recommended services. Go through the list and uncheck any services you don't want. Once done, tap Agree. Now choose your navigation style. You can select on-screen navigation buttons or gesture navigation. You can try the interactive tutorials to learn how they work. Once done, tap Done. That's it, you are all set. Tap Let's Go to start using your phone. That wraps up this video on how to set up OnePlus 15R for beginners. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more OnePlus tips and tutorials.